Well, in this video, I will guide you how you can change the aspect ratio 16.9 to 9 by 16 in Filmora. So first head to the desired clip and place it on the timeline. And now head to the file and click on the project setting. And here the aspect ratio. Currently it is the widescreen 16 by 9. You need to click on this arrow and select the 9 by 16 portrait math ratio. Click OK. And now right click on the clip and go to the crop and zoom. And in the ratio you need to change it to 9 by 16. And here you can move your frame to anywhere in the clip and click apply. So another way is that click on this monitor icon and click on this the change project aspect ratio. Click on that and change it to the 9 by 16. Click OK and then again right click and go to the crop and zoom and click on this crop and change the aspect ratio to 9 by 16 and change the placement of your video whatever you like. Click apply. So moreover, there is another way. Right click on the clip on the media library, click auto reframe and head to the aspect ratio and click on the 9 by 16 and click analyze. So Filmora is converting the aspect ratio to the 9 by 16. You can move the box to the desired placement. So once you do that, you just need to click export and type the name and choose the folder where you want to save it and click export and it will be exported to your computer. So this way you can easily change the aspect ratio 16 by 9 to 9 by 16 in Filmora. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.